So good morning, and this is Andy Fox from BestCode, and this is the next in the short series of Feature Friday. Going through each Friday talking about a specific feature on the BestCode printer and how that relates to benefits in production. Again, we're talking from parking lot, so this is hashtag parking lot demo. So this is the BestCode Model 82. This is a two-line coder, so it's one of the less expensive in the range of coders for BestCode. We have the Model 81, 82, which are the low-cost two-line coders, and then going up to the Model 88, which is up to a 5-line coder. So typically, when you look at the lower range model in a range of printers like the Domino's or the VideoJets or the Keonces or the Mark-Images, etc. Typically what happens is, to save money to make it a lower cost printer, they put in a smaller touch panel or LCD. It's not even a touch panel sometimes, it's just an LCD. Typically like a 7-inch LCD. The number one cause for errors in coding is down to the user interface and operators not being able to see properly what they're doing and to type in the wrong code. So having the large interface like this is an advantage. So if we take a closer look at the display, we can see very user intuitive. Here is the message that we're printing, and bottom here we have all of the parameters for setting up the speeds, the direction, the pressure, the viscosity, those sort of things. Large big button, start and stop for starting and stopping the jet. Password protected for those areas where operators like playing with things they shouldn't do, and then obviously the ink status here with the beacon up here, which can be echoed to a beacon on the side of the printer. So for example, if we go into the messages, we can see here nice and clear a list of all the messages. We select which message we want to print. We see a little preview at the top here of what that message looks like, and then we just go ahead and select. That's a two key press process for changing a message. Very clear. You can see exactly what's going on. So if I select that message now for printing the fast snacks, you can see that it's beautifully, it's in here, it's visible. You can check the data and select it, and away we go. So then on the other side of this, we have all the production counts. So if you're wanting to not necessarily put a product count on the product or print count on the product, you can actually visually see what how many products we're doing, so that you can get an idea of production. Very simply on the adjust screen now, again nice and clear, we can change the speeds, we can change the delay from print go, photocell to print go to where it's actually printing, all of the direction of travel, the bowdlerization, again nice and clear all on one screen. And then for the service guys out there, again we can go into, we can see where the modulation's set, we can see where the pressure's set, the charge, the frequency, phasing enabled, viscosity here at the bottom to see where we are relative to the target viscosity. Another nice thing on this printer is we can actually go into the fluidic test and test all of the solenoid valves purely by clicking them, and then you can hear the nice click on all the solenoid valves. So again, a nice feature for diagnosing the problems. So this is today's Friday feature. The larger LCD, 10.4-inch LCD, to eliminate operator error, making it nice and clear for data entry. And if you don't have to pay extra for it, then why not? So again, my name's Andy Fox. This is the Friday feature. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.